work. I got a 5-year-old daughter. Besides that, there really ain't much to say. I spend a lot of time at work.
I'm a 39-year-old male. I've been here in Champaign County all my life. I've been born and raised here, so basically just be living here and trying to just make it.
Oh, I'm a father of 4 children. I'm married. Just tired of the status quo.
Okay.
You know, I need a job that makes me a little bit more money.
Sure.
You know, I want my kids to be guaranteed to go to college.
24 years old. I originate from Los Angeles, and I came here to better myself and to get an education and help others.
Been a forklift driver for about 13 years in like 2 factories. I guess you could say I'm a family man because at the moment I'm out of a job, and I'm really hoping that, you know, this experience will get me a job.
I'm here at Parkland to obtain my GED and obtain a trade in welding. It's been something I've been longing to get into. So now that I'm here, I'm still trying to find my way. It's all new to me. I love being here. It's challenging, but I'll get through it.
Really just the certification, hopefully a good paying job.
Well, I hope to gain a certificate, you know, that I can use in somebody's job for us, you know. Me, myself, I haven't had many accomplishments, so this is something I'm really looking forward to.
To get a job either in the welding field or further it on into automotive technologies.
Just the knowledge of welding, you know, never know when it might come in handy, just to know in case I work in a factory, I have knowledge of what's going on and what's being said.
I'd like to maybe fall into an art area, you know, with welding. I see a lot of the welding that's going around town as far as artwork, and I just like to contribute.
A lot of knowledge, friends, a good job, and maturity level I need to expand my horizon as well as advance.